Hi, Moyer Fountain Joint and Peg. Today we're going to be looking at our 24 by 32 timber frame carport plan. As with all our plans, they are detailed and thorough down to the last peg hole. You can rely on these plans to give you everything you need to build as a DIY yourself, or you may use them to submit to a contractor to garner a quote. Okay, here's our 24 by 32 King Post Truss Pavilion. We also call it the carport plan. We really stand behind our plans here at Joint and Peg and believe we give you a tremendous value uh, with what you get with your dollars, and we appreciate your consideration. Here's our cover sheet. Most important information on this cover sheet, other than this lovely rendering here, is our legend. This provides all our symbols that we use in our plans so you can understand what those mean. Usually those are the places you want to pull your reference measurements from. We've got terminology on mortise and tenon joinery. We've got numbering of all the timbers and how it relates to you ordering the timber and constructing the timber, and then just some hatching views and what they represent. We have a post plan. Here are the symbols that we referred to earlier. We have a plate level plan. We provide notes with all the joinery so you can understand what's going on. Roof framing plan talks about the surface area of the roof, how the common rafters are connected, options on what to use for your roof decking, and information on the purlins as well as overhangs. Here's a transverse section cutting through the building, a longitudinal section cutting through the building. Here is a detailed elevation view of our king post truss. It's got the joinery in there. It's got critical measurements here. Helpful drawing. We provide some examples of the eave section and the height above plate, which is the measurement from the plate along the plumb line of your rafter to the top of your rafter. If you ever get a set of plans without a height above plate, you should return them. Rake section looking up the roof, and then just an option for how you might connect to a foundation. Here's some details. Our timber links acre connection, how the purlins meet over the in this case top chord of the king post truss, and a standard post top connection. Here's our brace joinery details. Here is an axonometric view. We've got the wood list. You'll notice that we have parts numbers that correlate with the wood list we're about to show you. So these are actually diagrams, the following 3 pages, that correlate with the material list. That concludes what you get in download number 1. Download number 2 includes those material lists. Here's the wood list with part numbers that correlate with the diagram. Total board footage. Everything's been rounded up to the nearest 2 foot or 1 foot if it's shorter length. That's all explained up here in the notes. And we even give columns if you have a sawyer that's providing this for you, for him to fill it in as he sends it to you. This is the concrete yardage, cubic yards, and then also the roof surface area and drip edge perimeter. Those 4 sheets conclude what's in the second download link. The third download link is our piece drawings. You will notice the production numbers are 4 numbers. These numbers correlate with the piece you're working on. Now this is an example sheet of how to read these and interpret these drawings. So here's the set of stick drawings for this design. You can see the production number there. You can see how many you need to do of this one. And then you also see the part number associated with the timber you ordered, so you know where to get it from. And then each timber and the quantity you need is in this set of drawings. We really believe we could provide a tremendous value for you with these plans. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for looking.